So the ninth law of the 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership by John Maxwell is the law of magnetism. Okay? And this law describes that who you are is who you attract. Who you are is who you attract. Okay? Maybe ang atong mga ministries of churches nato, makita nimo majority of your members maybe puparihan nimo. Are you following me? This means that leaders and organizations will only attract people who possess the same qualities that they themselves embody. Maxwell emphasizes that instead of asking where to find people with desired qualities, leaders should first ask if they possess those qualities themselves. So kung mangita kag mga leaders nga imong gi-desire nga mo surround nimo sa imong organization or ministry, okay? Pangutan asa kung kanang mga qualities naa ba na sa imuha. Are you following me?
Yes.
If a leader or organization exhibits traits like high energy, ano yung high energy? Kanang kuan ba? Super active. Okay? Hyperactive. Kanang on the go ba? Okay? Or integrity. Or a great attitude. Mo na imong gipanginahanglan, they will naturally attract individuals who share those traits because likes begets like. Because you produce your own kind. Hello. This principle applies broadly from a basketball coach, personality extending to their team, to the overall DNA or culture of a company. So kaning imong mga qualities nga gi-desire, okay, ato sang inventory atong kaugalingon kung naa ba ka ana. Are you following me? Kay kung wala gani, we have to encourage ourselves to refine our qualities. To apply this law, leaders are encouraged to define the top qualities they wish to attract to their organization, and then ensure they embody those qualities. If they don't, they should discipline themselves to develop them. Okay? That's why katong the law of the lead, okay, atong ipaisa ang atong lead, because the level of our lead determines the level of the effectiveness of our leadership. Are you following me? And ngayon si John Maxwell, there are several key areas in the law of magnetism consistently operates, determining the kind of people an organization attract. So these are key areas where you can attract people in your organization. Okay? Again, likes begets like. Mission. So kanang kanong atong mission mo attract ni siya ug some people. But at the same time, it divides some people. Hello? A company's mission attracts individuals who align with that mission. and repeal those who do not. And that's the reason why ibutang yun na imo ang vision and mission. Yan. Ni-connect na no sa katong vision and mission. Okay? Because there are some people who may like the vision and the vision, but at the same time, there are people who may not like your vision and mission. So they will not join your organization. Are you following me? Because normally, ang atong personal vision, if we are in the corporate world, ang atong personal vision, kinahanglan mo align na sa corporate vision and mission. Otherwise, magswaki na siya. Are you following me? Priorities ko, no? Mo attract sa imong organization. The priorities of an organization and its leaders dictate the priorities of the people they attract. For example, a CEO prioritizing integrity will attract people who value doing the right thing. Kung iyang priority is integrity, mo attract siyang people with integrity. No wonder there are some leaders whose integrity is low. Mo attract siyang mga people whose integrity is low or of questionable character. Mo na bitaw usahay kung mangingilad bitaw ka. Hello. Mo attract kag mangingilad pod. Bitaw. If you are a giver, mo attract sab ka mga giver. Are you following? Kung daw ka, ang ma-attract po nimo mga daw. Hello. Age. Okay? Age also, people often group together by age. So makita na nimo sa atong organization nga ang dominant nimo members or dominant people nimo mga naama sa mga mga age level. Okay? Hello. Anyang imong workforce is basically naani nga mga age level. Are you following me? Okay? People often group together by age, and organizations tend to attract people within the age range of their leaders. Are you following me? Or predominant culture. I wonder si kanang nasa IT park na dako kay nga simbahan. Kasagaran sa iyang mga workers, mga youth. Hello. Okay. Another kind of people that your organization will attract. Values. The values held by an organization are crucial in attracting specific types of people. For instance, a high value on adding value to people will attract people who also want to contribute to others rather than selfish individuals. Okay? So, katong mga givers, mga leaders, mo attract po siya mga givers. Tanawa ko no ng imong organization kung baka kung mga daw na ang imong mga leaders baka baya ikaw daw sa. Are you following me? When I say this, I'm not perfect, and probably this material is also teaching me. Okay. Next is the background. The background, organizations often attract people who share similar backgrounds, whether geographical, educational, or professional. Ever since nag-start na ko aning mentoring, to level up the leadership lead of mine also and my organization, I noticed, kaya nag-advertise naman ko mga bagong teachers ba, I noticed, kung naging sinong nice ko, sigara mga apply na to, mga nice no, mga cum laude man o mga cum laude. Hello. So, because likes begets like. Okay? Similar background, geographical, educational, or professional. Pero yung geographical, kanang itong taga-Bohol, mga Bulanon ba? Ang tendency is mga Bulanon is to hire rapod mga Bulanon. Geographical. We have a case study, I don't know if I shared this with you, in the Masters in Management in UP, nga tungod lagi kay Bulanon siya, ang iyang gipang-hire ng mga factory worker, taga-Bohol rapod. Okay. Majority taga-Bohol yun. Taga-Cagayan ang iyang company, factory niya. Okay. Lipay kay siya, kay nakatabang siya sa iyang mga paisano. Pero nagka-problema siya. Kay inig ting pista, Mayo. Manguli gyud. Ma-disrupted ang operation. So gibutang na as a case study to us to solve kung sa'y pagabuhaton sa management. Okay? Kung maayo ba itong iyang ibuhat nga puros na gyud mga Bulanon ang iyang gi-hire. Nana case study na siya.
Kung may nagkabuhan pa so, okay mo galing mangini, bato magbuhol.
Okay, background. Okay? And last but not the least is the attitude. An organization's attitude directly influences the attitude of the people it attracts. You won't find an organization with a great attitude at the top and a poor one at the bottom. As people with bad attitudes generally avoid those with good ones. Kaning culture sa usa ka organization mo reflect may bawaan yun siya sa imong customer. Hello. Okay? So basically, okay, these are the areas nga maka-attract or maka-repel of leaders sa imong organization. So no wonder no, usahay na ay mga musod sa tong simbahan. Okay? Mag-observe na sa imo ha. Hello? After a while, mawa. Maybe they are trying to observe if mo fit in ba sila. Okay? In this particular areas. Mission, priorities, age, values, background, and attitude. Hello. Ultimately, the law of magnetism suggests that by understanding and defining their own DNA, kaning DNA mo rin imong kuan, who you are, your identity, like your mission and vision, values, priorities, and attitude. Organization will naturally attract a workforce that mirrors these characteristics. Okay? Hello. The law of magnetism, who you are is who you attract. Pakpak mo eh. Come on na. Actually, I'm planning to have 2 laws in this session today.